So, hello, my name is Fabien Lebrère, so I'm working for Air France KLM.
Guten Morgen, everyone. My name is Julien Revers. I'm also working in Air France KLM on a dev part, and we are both based in Toulouse, southwest of France, for information.
So please fasten your seatbelt, and let's go to our journey. So, the story of Air France KLM IT started in 1968, so a long time ago, and we create our first application, Amadeus. It was a booking tool. Nice operator. And for that, we have created our own transactional operating system based on Unisys system. And of course, we use some nice languages, as you can see, Assembler to do that, or Fortran. And for the user interface, we use COBOL. But just thinking at this time, COBOL, there is no function like just write a file. So you can imagine, we have done a lot of things during the 15 years. And so, Julien, it's for you.
Next, click. And then a new ops platform is available in Air France KLM in all data center in prems. It's CF, of course, that's why we are here. It's a pivotal distribution, and it's available since 2018 and fully operational for everyone. So it's time for our enterprise to launch what we call application transformation, or APTX. This is an acronym that you are going to see in every slide. So this is the purpose of this talk, the application transformation, so the fact of bringing all this existing application to this new platform. But not only moving this application, but also taking the advantage of this new platform and use the power of this platform.
OK, so I think now we are ready, so we can take off. So please, let's go and play with us to our games. Who wants to gain a good app transformation?
OK. It's a game.
So just 1 minute to explain the rules of the game. So it's based on 4 levels. I hope Julien will be at the top.
I'm the candidate, in fact.
Yeah, sorry. So for the level 1, in fact, the Cloud Foundry ready level, we are going to speak about analysis, what we are doing when we analyze our portfolio. Level 2, the question will be about platform planning and methodology. Level 3, about how we have implemented the app transformation. And the last stage, 2020, what we have planned for the next year.
OK, so I will try to reach the higher level. I will try to do it.
OK, so Julien, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Fabien.
Level 1. So first question for you. How many developers work in Air France KLM? Less of 300?
Fabien.
Oh, there is a problem. Sorry. Less of 300, between 300 and 1,000, between 1,000 and 2,000, or more than 2,000. So
I know that we are about 60,000 employees in Air France KLM. So I also know that we are a big internal IT. Huge and very powerful, of course. So I think it's answer D, more than 2,000.
Are you sure?
Yes, Fabien, I'm sure.
Perfect, Julien. Indeed, we are more than 2,000. Next question for you. How many applications exist in Air France KLM? Less than 23? 570? 1,307, or more than 2000.
Okay, so since you mentioned in the previous slide, we have a quite long history with IT. We start almost at the beginning of the IT, in fact. And also, I know that KLM is a 1 century company now. It's his birthday, right. So happy birthday, KLM. So it's quite a long time. And we have a multiple application in ground services, mobile application, flight ops, things like that. So I guess we have more than 2,000 applications.
Indeed, we have more than 2,000 applications. Just to have an idea, we have 1.3 application per developer. So now, next question. How to have a quick overview of your application portfolio? Via the CMDB? Via the president?
No, okay. It's okay.
Via your boss? Or via your devs?
Nice question. So the goal is really to know how is build, how many applications we have, what is the content of this application. I like talking to people, but I think it will take too much time. Oh, we've got an issue. It's okay. It would take too much time to ask every people, so I trust technology. I will use CMDB.
Yes, you're right. Please applause. No? Indeed, as a big company, we have put in place the ETL process, so we have a CMDB to find a lot of information. And I think we are not alone. Other companies have implemented, and you know, when a dev wants to do something with ops, they need to do a ticketing and be sure you process.
Should we wait things working better, or? It's strange, no?
No, I don't know. So, of course, when we speak about DevOps, it's very hard. And one good point is now ETL have delivered a new version, the version 3. So now the ETL process are more DevOps. Next question.
I think we really have an issue with the screen. Yeah. So,
what we should do? Show must go on.
Show must go on.
No
with
problem.
that screen, it's quite complicated, no, for you?
Which language is mostly used in Air France KLM since 21? COBOL, C++ Corba, PHP, or Java Spring?
So if you ask question for my personal website, I would say maybe PHP or maybe not, in fact. But since we are a very serious company and we follow the trend, I will say answer D, Java Spring language. And it's my last word, Fabien.
Is your last answer? Yeah?
Yes. Really confident.
Perfect. Please applause. So indeed, when you check what you have in the CMDB, you can have this kind of pictures. And you can see we have a nice thing. It's a Mixilus. In fact, we don't know. So I think it's not fully up to date. But in fact, it's not a matter, because the reality is not there, yes. But it's mostly important. By this way, we can have some figure, and we can go to the dev team to explain, OK, we want to transform. We have seen this in your portfolio. And maybe help us to perform the transformation. So nice, we have a nice overview about our portfolio. So how to classify it? We use the 3T methodology, the 5S methodology, the 7V methodology, or the 6R methodology.
Okay, so
I think it's hard. Huh?
This one is quite complicated, but I'm still confident. I know that 3T is more music band, things like that. And I know that 5S methodology is more about savings. I do not really know about the answer C, but I'm pretty confident that it's, again, answer D, 6R methodology.
You're right, Julien. Indeed. So what we have done, we have the portfolio as input. We have a finishing process where we have some rules about filter, about technical, business, sometimes prioritization. And at the end, we have 5 buckets, in fact. On the left, we found what the application will be retired. So, of course, we are doing nothing on it. We have just speak at the beginning about legacy, very legacy applications. So, of course, when we have an application is writing a COBOL, it's not possible yet, maybe in the future, but not yet, I think, to run it on Cloud Foundry. So it's still only the 3 on the middle. So the resting is more when we do just a lift and shift, so minimal effort. Replatform, just to try to have something run in the cloud. And the most interesting for us is the refactor, is when you try to modernize, in fact, the application and take really the benefit of the capacity of the cloud. Thank you, Julien. Please applause. First level. Next step, platform planning methodology. Ready, Julien?
I'm ready.
OK. So what type of application is concerned by an app transformation? The new ones, the ones in the LCM, existing apps, or the retired ones?
Music, please. So you already mostly answered. You said that it has no sense to work on retired application. So I will try something incredible. I think there is a trap here, and I will say...
Yeah. Yes, it's possible.
It's possible, trap? I think it's answer A, B, and C. New one, LCM, lifecycle management, and existing application.
Exact, Julien. Indeed, when we started the application transformation, we have in fact 3 tracks. We started, now all new applications in Air France KLM are cloud ready by design. Of course, as you can see, imagine, we manage our LCM, and the idea is to reduce the technical debt. And the last one, the most important, is about the app transformation itself when we want to modernize application. So the key message is, for the end of the year, we plan to onboard 150 applications in PCF, so pivotal distribution, PaaS, and PKS. So next one. Who can help you to start an app transformation? Pivotal, Pivotal, Pitotal, or Obi-Wan Kenobi?
I'm pretty sure Obi-Wan Kenobi will be able to do this with the power, for sure. But I do not want to lose the game, so I'm not so confident. Can I use a joker, Fabien?
Yes, of course. You don't have used your joker, so you can. Which one?
We try to phone a friend.
Phone a friend?
Yes.
OK. Who is it, this friend?
We try to call Clément. Clément.
Clément?
Yes.
OK, let's proceed.
I hope he will answer, otherwise
yes, I hope.
It will not work. Clément?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Ah, fine.
Fine.
Thank you. Thank you, Clément. I'm on stage with Fabien, and I have a quite complicated question. I will try to launch my application transformation in my company, Air France KLM, and I would like to know the name of the people who can help us. So the question is, who can help you to start an aptX? Pivotal, Pivotal, Pitotal, or Obi-Wan Kenobi? I guess it's not Obi-Wan Kenobi.
A really hard one. Could you repeat?
Pivotal, Pivotal, Pitotal, or Obi-Wan Kenobi?
I think it's A.
Answer
Pivotal.
A?
It's pivotal.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty confident now, yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you, see you.
Thank you, bye.
Bye. So, Julien, what is your answer?
So he seems to be confident, so I will say answer A, Pivotal.
Sure.
That's my last word.
Yeah?
Yes.
OK. Exact. Pivotal can help you if you want to set up an app transformation.
Nice.
Next one. Ah, no, sorry. So if we speak about the planning, so in fact, our platform has been delivered in June last year. So we have the early adopters start to use it. In the beginning of the year, a strong decision. Now, all new applications in Air France KLM will be container first. So we are speak a lot about the LCM GRM, so do the lift and shift part. So it's starting 2 months later. And now we started about to release the transformation itself. So we start with the help of Pivotal, and the idea is to set up 3 factories, 1 in Toulouse, 1 in Amsterdam, and 1 in Melbourne, in fact, all 3 data centers. The idea at the end is to migrate, re-platform, more of 80% of our application, which could be land in this kind of platform. Next one?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, time up.
Pity.
Yeah. So if we want to know more, I think we have not reached the level 3 yet. So we have a dedicated session at 12 o'clock. So thanks very much, and I think we can applaud Julien.
Thank you, Fabien.